So in this case, I was using the driving range and I want to go to course play. So anytime we want to switch and go back to the main menu, we go up to the right hand corner up here and click this. This gives us several options. Down at the bottom, I can end this round. I want to confirm that, and it's going to bring me back to this main menu. Like I said, I want to go from the driving range to course play, so now I'm going to choose local match. Here we have 1,200 different courses. You can search for courses. They may or may not be in here, or choose from one of the 1,200. All these that are blue lit up that say play are ones that we've already downloaded. If there's something that you want to play that isn't downloaded, you would select download and wait for it to download, which takes approximately a minute. It just depends on the course. So once I've chosen the course that I want to play, in this case, I've got Amherst Country Club over here to the right, which is in New Hampshire. I would select play course. And here I can add players. So as you can see, up to 8 players. And I can change their name, and I can change what tee they're hitting from. So if one person wants to hit from further away or closer up, I can change all that there. The match settings, you can change which type of game mode you're playing. So either stroke play, or a scramble, or match play. Alternating shots, there's several. We can play best ball. There's several options there that can be changed. And all these settings you can change before you start. So one thing that I've found very, let's see where it is, useful is, well, let's start a match. So we're going to save that and play by myself. Here it is. So on match settings, there's this give me auto putt. So I've found that putting is frustrating on this setup, and I'm not really here for putting. So I like to extend this give me auto putt. So what that is going to change is that circle around the hole. As you land on the green, there's a circle around the hole, and once the ball is within that circle, that give me putt circle, it auto putts. So the bigger that circle, the more forgiveness I have, as far as I can more than likely chip on, land in that give me putt area, or maybe make one putt to get in the give me putt area and move on to the next hole. That makes my course play a lot faster, and I've found it more enjoyable overall because the putting is not exactly the way you would want it to be, because you can't see the contour, and this is a simulator. So from there, I've got that changed to 20 feet, and I would simply hit down here, play the course. Okay, so I've changed the match to a shamble. I want to go back to stroke play because I'm playing by myself. It got confused there. It thought there was more than one player. So now it's going to start encrypting. It's going to check the licensure and everything online and make sure that we are good as far as operating. It's going to load the course objects. So this takes approximately 30 seconds. And after that, everything that's on the screen will be on the projector as well. And back to the troubleshooting, if nothing's coming on the projector, it's more than likely you just need to unplug and plug back in the HDMI cable on the back of the computer to re-trigger what the projector is seeing. So it's checked everything with the licensure. It's now loading. and it had to make all those changes that I made. So if you don't make any changes, it's that much faster. And there we are. We're ready to tee off. It'll tell you your yardage and everything there. Now, if you want to make any changes as you play or in this round and go back to the main menu, it's back up here in the right-hand corner, and we can make some changes. Another feature is I can't drive 316 yards, and it has me aimed towards the green right now, but I can go down here and I can select wherever I want to actually aim the ball. I can select it on here, and that's going to change now where I'm trying to hit towards. So instead of falling up short and landing in these trees because I can't hit 316 yards, it's going to go straight ahead, and hopefully I can make it 220. But that's basically it. Once I'm done with the round, or at any point I want to change courses or go back to the driving range or be finished overall, I go to end round again. Are you sure you want to end your round? I want to confirm that. Brings me back to the main menu. This is where you need to get when shutting down. And then the procedure for shutting down is simple. We just never exit. There's an exit under this, and I've covered it up. If we exit there, the next person is going to have a heck of a time trying to get to this point. So simply at this point, I'm going to hit the Windows key. Just going to explode this. I'm going to go to the power button or symbol. I'm going to click, not finger press, like click with the mouse on sleep. The computer is going to go black. It's going to go into sleep mode. And then the projector, you don't have to do anything with it. It'll turn off on its own. And that is all.